Picture this, a vehicle that looks like it could survive a war zone yet pulls up to a 5-star hotel like it owns the place. That's the Mercedes-Benz Wagon 2026 for you, a legend that refuses to age. Only evolved that the moment you see that iconic boxy shape is still here in 2026, because Mercedes knows better than to mess with an icon. Flat panels, upright windshield, exposed door hinges, and that solid thud when the doors close. It all screams durability. But look closer, and you'll notice how refined it has become. The LED lighting is sharper, the grille is more modern, the wheels are bolder, and the overall stance feels wider and more confident. It still looks like a military vehicle at heart, but now it's dressed in a luxury tailored suit. Step inside. This is where rugged meets ridiculously luxurious. The cabin of the 2026 G-Wagon feels like an upscale lounge wrapped inside a tank. Or brushed metal trims add character, and the ambient lighting can be customized to match your mood. The dual widescreen setup dominates the dashboard, combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless display. Mercedes' latest MBUX system is faster, smarter, and more intuitive, with voice commands that actually understand you when you talk naturally. Comfort is taken very seriously here. The seats are wide, supportive, and heavily cushioned, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions available. Despite its boxy shape, the seating position is commanding and visibility is excellent, making you feel in control at all times. Rear passengers get generous legroom, premium materials, and their own climate controls, while the cargo area is practical enough for daily use, shopping, or weekend adventures. Under the hood is where the G-Wagon really flexes. For 2026, Mercedes continues to offer powerful engine options, including refined V8 variants with mild hybrid assistance, delivering brutal acceleration for such a heavy vehicle. Press the accelerator and the G-Wagon surges forward with surprising speed, accompanied by that deep, aggressive exhaust note that enthusiasts love. The mild hybrid system improves efficiency slightly and smooths out start-stop driving, making city driving more comfortable without killing the performance vibe, despite its weight and size. The G-Wagon handles far better than you'd expect. The updated suspension setup for 2026 improves ride comfort on the road while keeping body roll under control. Steering feels solid and confident, and on highways, the G-Wagon cruises comfortably, feeling more planted than older generations. It's not a sports car, but for a luxury off-road SUV. It's impressively composed, and then there's off-road capability. This is where the G-Wagon reminds everyone why it exists. Full-time, all-wheel drive, 3 locking orange gearing, and massive ground clearance make it one of the most capable off-road vehicles you can buy, straight from the factory. Mud, sand, rocks, snow, the G-Wagon doesn't care. The 2026 model continues to feature advanced off-road drive modes, camera systems that show terrain underneath the vehicle, and hill descent control that makes extreme conditions feel manageable. Even for non-dash experts, safety and technology are exactly what you'd expect from Mercedes at this level. The 2026 G-Wagon comes loaded with advanced driver assistance, features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assists, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and automated emergency braking. These systems work quietly in the background, making daily driving safer and less stressful, especially in traffic or tight urban spaces. What truly sets the G-Wagon apart is its personality. This is not just an SUV. It's a status symbol, a lifestyle statement, and a piece of automotive history that's still relevant today. Very few vehicles can look equally at home in the mountains, on a desert trail, or parked outside a luxury hotel. The 2026 G-Wagon manages to be tough, luxurious, loud, and classy, all at once, something almost no other vehicle can pull off. In a world where many SUVs are starting to look and feel the same, the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon stands proudly. That's something different. It doesn't try to blend in, it doesn't apologize for its size or attitude, and it doesn't chase trends. Instead, it perfects what it has always done best, combining unstoppable off-road ability with uncompromising luxury. If you want a vehicle that turns heads, dominates terrain, and delivers pure presence every time you drive it, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon isn't just an option, it's the benchmark.